everybody is doing well in the new year. So the other day I was actually DIYing my agenda or my planner. I was just putting some stickers to like personalize it, and I put that on my Instagram and all of that. I will put that here. And a lot of you had so many questions about where my plan is from, how I plan and things like that. So I thought maybe I should do a video about my planners and my agenda and how I kind of plan, because my life would not be functional without them. I have done a video on how to stay organized a while ago, which I will link here as well, because that has more tips and tricks. This is kind of more about the agenda that I use every day and the other planners that I use. So there's basically 3 things that I have. You can see them here. So finding the right agenda or planner is kind of like the toughest job. There is no right or wrong here. It totally depends on your taste and what you like and what you're looking for in an agenda. Now for me, I really like funky designs and different, styles. I've tried multiple agendas over the years. I've tried the Kate Spade one, I've tried the Bando one, I've tried the Philo Fax versions. A lot of them haven't worked for me. What has been working for me for the last 2 years is this one. This one is from Archetype and is easily available in India, which is the biggest plus. And what I love about it is that it has like Indian holidays and things like that. Because when you buy planners abroad, they kind of have all Western holidays, and they don't really have like Diwali or Eid and things like that marked out, which is why I love this. Now this I have customized myself, and I'm going to take you through it now. So I've been using this planner for a couple of years now. I'm going to show you guys my 2017 planner as well, so you can see and compare the designs. The designs change every year, so they are slightly different. The pages on the inside also change every year, so let me show you my 2017 planner first. There's a lot of writing spaces, which is why I really like this one, and it has a grid system as well as daily slots. So you have lots of space to write your plans and dates. Now let's check out my 2018 agenda. So I got an extra pack of stickers to decorate the cover, and it has my initials SST. The first page always has a slot for your name, and it has a really fun, funky design. The second page is usually some kind of a resolutions page. This time mine has my 18 for 2018. If you haven't watched my video yet and made your list, don't forget to check it out. And then of course they have these really fun stickers which come with the agenda, which is like a really cool element. This travel section is really new, and I think it's really interesting because you can make a wish list and you can write stuff that you regularly carry, which is really helpful, because I always make like a packing list. So this is going to really help me. I still have to fill this bit in, but I'm going to do that soon. Then you have a full calendar of 2018 and 2019, so you can easily check any dates really quickly. Now I'm going to move straight to Jan, because December is Dunsky. So every month starts with a grid like this. This is where I mark out any important dates, and it's just really easy to see your whole month at a glance. So sometimes I also add some stickers in here for a bit of a fun element. Then you have the individual day slots where you can put in more details or multiple appointments. So I'm going on a fun trip soon. I can't give you guys the destination or more details right now, but I'm going somewhere soon. Then we have the Mumbai Marathon coming up, which is a biggie for me. Now I also like to add some quotes to my agenda. So this is my running mantra, which is there is no pride without pain. And every time I'm struggling when I'm running and I want to give up, this is what I keep saying to myself. So this is my marathon and running mantra. And at the end of each month, they have a long notes section for more detailed stuff like video ideas or work-related notes. If you guys have any video ideas for me, leave them in the comments so that I can add them in here into my agenda, because I don't have too many yet. So basically I write down all my important dates, work meetings, birthdays. I've already put a sticker here for my birthday, which is on a Saturday. Party! Okay, now let me show you guys what Vaibhav does to his birthday. So every time I get into agenda, before I can write anything in it, he takes it and he writes a note for his birthday, which is usually hilarious. So this is this year's. My owner's birthday. What an auspicious day indeed. I shall do as he pleases forever. Yes, how appropriate that it is World Fashion Day. It must be in his honor. This is completely mad, but he always cracks me up with these. This is like an agenda tradition that we have. And then we have more birthdays. Oh, my mom's birthday is on Diwali this year. Fun. And then we have our anniversary. And right at the end of the diary, you have a slot for important papers, things like that. And it ends with notes for the next year, 2019, which seems really far, far away right now. So that was my main agenda, which was from Archetype. Up next, we have this, which is my planner for rough notes. Now, this is from a company called Odd Giraffe that has really nice stationery as well. I discovered them recently. This is just a basic ruled book because I really need to jot down a lot of things. And what I love about this is the middle. So when you open this up in the center, you can see it says, "You invented awesome." That is a really cool reminder to have in the middle of your planners. So that is pretty awesome. But I do definitely need a planner because this is what I do. This is my last year's planner. You can see there's tons and tons and tons of rough notes in this. I plan my videos, I write my scripts for my VOs, all of that in these. Like, I really need to have a designated notebook for my notes, which is what this is for. And last but not the least, we have this one, which is also from Archetype. Now, this is my weekly planner. Now, this is really, really helpful because it kind of has like a weekly grid. So I make notes here for things that I have to do from Monday to Sunday, and I kind of make them in different columns, and I keep writing things as I think of something, like uploading my videos on certain days, or you know, paying bills, sending something to someone, picking up my laundry. Basically everything from my work to my errands to everything gets like put down on this through the week. And as the days go forward, I just keep adding things to the list, whatever I remember. And then if I don't finish it that week, it just carries forward to the next week. But this is something that I use every week. So these are the three things that I really, really need in my life. Every day I use a rough notes book, I use my agenda, and I use my weekly planner. This really helps me to stay organized and to fix things like my meetings, my videos, my errands, everything. And I'm someone who loves to make notes, so I really, really like this whole system of having an agenda or a plan. I know a lot of people don't do it, a lot of people don't get it. For me, it's something that I've been using since I was, what, 15 or 16, and I cannot survive without it. Like, I don't remember stuff. I have to write down everything, from my dates to things to do to everything. So of course, I have a lot. You don't really need like 2 and 3. You can just get one. A lot of people do that. I like to kind of spread things out and have multiple planners and agendas, which is why I have 3. So guys, those were my agendas and planners. Comment below with your organization tips and tricks for 2018, and I hope you guys have a organized, stress-free year. See you guys. Bye.